Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, again today, let's enjoy today's lesson. So let's see where we were. Lesson 15, draw as you want. So we learned to draw randomly. Yeah, let's anyway see the code and let's run it. So let's reopen the code. Run the first box and connect. And going back, maybe we want some definitions like square definition, triangle definition, and star. Yeah, we might need to draw stars later. And what did we do last time? Yeah, draw square, maybe. And then, is it? Maybe this is it. Okay, import random, initialize speed is 9, width is 1, and generate x and y, x coordinate and y coordinate, and size is also randomized, and draw a square at xy with size of s, and after that, after each angle is, oh, maybe I need something, it's gone, left angle, and then draw in 4 colors according to the to the x I. Let's run it and see what we have. Okay, so oh, it doesn't tilt. Maybe what's wrong with it? Let's see. Here is so I cancel it. Okay, angle is incremented by 5 and right, and yes, turn right by angle. So maybe I shouldn't have added. Yeah. So okay, good. So basically, it's just we need to copying this, make draw star, just like the same. So just like change the name to draw star and use call star instead of square, and that's it. I guess so. So let's run this box and change this to draw star instead of draw square. And that's it. Let's run it. Okay. Red, yellow, pink, red, yellow, pink, blue, with different sizes and different positions with different tilt. Okay, I think this is good enough. Okay, I hope you like it. Or, as I said, you can try any variations you like. Try it yourself and see what you get. Okay, let's go on to today's lesson. Lesson 16, Wandering Turtle. Okay, let the turtle go around as you like. So, okay, move forward by 50 and turn randomly and repeat this 20 times. Okay, so the very basic movement is, maybe we can copy this part and then paste it here. Okay, just delete it. And what did it say? Move forward 50 and turn randomly. So randomly, let's see. So move forward by 50. So what is necessary is forward by 50. Then we generate an angle of say like change between -60 up to +60. How about this? Maybe this will make it a little more varied. And then let's see, left by angle. Okay, let's see. Anyway, that's how it looks like once. I don't see anything because I don't need pen up. Let's delete it. Okay, maybe a little tilted. So let's repeat this 20 times. Okay, so for in range 20, sorry, 20 colon, and then select this block and tab for indentation. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's gone somewhere else. It's gone all the way in my case. How about yours? Let's see. Oh, this time a little longer. Good. So it changes the movement every time, but anyway, it goes beyond the upper border. Okay. Maybe we can change something. Keep walking permanently. We can't keep have it. So for I in range 20 means it will stop after 20. So just a variation, we can write instead of this, we can write alternatively while true. This means it will move forever. Okay, let's continue run it. Ooh, it's still running. Okay, going up here. Then will it come back? Oh, it's coming back. Good, but it's going again, like that. Okay, maybe we can stop it. We need to stop here. Okay, because it might go away for far to the, for example, in the case right. So maybe we need to check the position to exactly know where that guy is. So to do that, maybe we can add something like right and position. By doing so, write something at that point, and then we can call t.pos to print. Okay, instead of do it forever, we can get it back to only 20 times and see what it prints. Okay, so in my case, oh, good. So maybe we we can write this before moving. Okay, before moving. This will be a little help. Okay, so write the position, move 50, change direction, and write again, and something like that. Let's run it. So from this, we can know that as an initial position, the turtle was at 400 by 250. And then go forward by 50 up to 400, 200, and turn a little left and going this way, this way, this way, this way, and continue that. So yeah, now we can know how to control it better. Like, so yeah, from here, what we can know is this, maybe this border, the y coordinate is 0, okay, 30, 0. And how about do it again to find the about the horizontal position. Okay, let's see. It seems the horizontal position is 100 something. So maybe this is 0. Okay, so that means 0. So it means that presumably, the area is like this. The center point is 400 and 250. And this is maybe x equals 0. And this is maybe 800. And presumably this is 500 for y. So it starts from here and move randomly. And what we want is we want it to stop when it comes to close to the border, out of bounds. Okay. So stop if it is out of bounds. To do that, yeah, either we can use pos, but also we can use getx, gety, and we can use break to stop it. So let's try that. Okay, so the point is here. If, for example, y position get y is less than, say, 30, or get y, oh, I need, okay, get y is larger than, say, 470, or get x is less than, say, 30, or t get x is bigger than, say, 770. How about this? So yeah, what I'm trying to do is get the border of width 30. And when it goes beyond this point, stop. Okay. Let's try this. Maybe 50 instead of 30. Okay, so how about this? Try it yourself. And if so, then break maybe. And then let's let it run forever. Unless it comes to breaking point. Okay, let's try it. Ooh. Function and int. Let's see what's wrong with it. t.get y. Here. Okay. I need that's here. Okay, let's run it. Okay. So, okay, it goes almost straight to there and stops. Let's try another time. Stops here. Okay. So anyway, it stops when it comes closer to the border, but it's not so interesting. We can change the turning a little bigger, for example. Minus 90, between minus 90 plus 90. Let's run it. Ooh, this is fine. Okay. Anyway, it's working, it seems. So, what can we do to run it more? Turn back near the border. And that's interesting. Okay. So maybe we don't need position checking anymore. Okay. And then instead of stopping there, maybe turning by turning back by 180. How about this? So going backward. Okay, let's try this. Oh, seems interesting. This will keep this guy running all the time. A little stuck, but good. This is maybe a little interesting behavior, a wandering behavior. It's maybe stuck here, so we can stop. Or we can change the repetition up to maybe 200 or something like that. Yeah, check yourself and change the control as you like, so that it doesn't come back. What's wrong with it? Maybe get x is bigger than 750. And for it, yeah, it should come back. Ah, I see. Maybe we want it only once. Otherwise, it will go bouncing back and forth here. Okay. So anyway, these are some of the things you can do to try to, yeah, keep the turtle wander around as long as you can. So there are many techniques you can try. Instead of turning 90, maybe we can try turning 90. How about this? This is another interesting one. So it doesn't come back. So you can try yourself. There is no correct solution, or there is no absolute desirable behavior. So you can try many variations and see how it works, how it works. Okay. So okay, the homework, change speed randomly as well. Yeah, you know how to change speed randomly, right? So please do so, and also try many variations. Okay, I hope you like this. Please subscribe, like, and be sure to come back next time. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.